Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel, and for today's vlog we are going to tour around downtown Auckland. So Auckland based around two larger harbors in a major city in the north of New Zealand's North Island. So in the center, the iconic Sky Tower has views of Viaduct Harbor, which is full of super yacht and lined with bars and cafes. So downtown Auckland, or Auckland Central, is a commercial district with mainstream fashion stores along Queen Street. So enjoy watching, guys! Nagkadool na jud mi sa tower.
There's the tower.
Yeah. Welcome to Sky City. You can do sky jump and skywalk. Sky City. There you go. Here's the tower.
That's a Sky City Hotel.
Oh.
Look at all them.
So let's check here. You wanna eat here? Oh, there's a cruise ship today, Crown Princess. Here's the Ferry building. Very nice building. Water is clean. So if you're going to Waiheke Island, you can ride this ferry. You can just check online their schedule and the fare. This is the gift shop. We're gonna experience the cruises here. It's a ferry boat, Crown Princess.
They're going. They're going to get on that too.
Let's cross the street. Oh, look at the bus. Okay, let's go shopping here. There's Dior, Prada, Bulgari, and there's Louis Vuitton here, Gucci. So shopping area. Gucci, Louis Vuitton.
Good shop, actually.
Huh? Shop. How much is that one? How much is that one?
It's cheap.
Hello.
All the backpacks on those.
Yes.
that's the price of this bag.
Yes.
So guys,
So they let you touch that bag
yeah,
and everything.
he
Look
wants
at it.
he wants to buy that bag for me. Ooh, but no,
That's right.
I'm not going to. I will just going to buy a lot of imitation bag
Thailand.
in Thailand because we're going to Thailand.
That bag, though, I noticed like the part of it went into the seam, and that's what I thought the originals. It wasn't the logo would never be cut in half or cut.
It's look like not original, right? But
Yes.
it's, oh my
Because I was
goodness.
taking a little closer look at it, and I'm thinking,
And the hat, it's $600. My goodness.
see, that's
So-
why this half here.
This one, New Zealand, is
Well,
$18 only.
original New Zealand brand.
Yeah.
So
So
this
let's
hat
go
is
around
not
here.
made in China. This is made in New Zealand.
yeah.
So if you come here, look at the label inside. Don't buy one that says made in China. If you can get one like this, a little more expensive, not much, maybe $5 more. But get a nice hat like this one.
So let's go around here. We're having just a walking tour around downtown New Zealand, Auckland.
Maybe now we're gonna have a biscuit and coffee for the
Snacks. So let's continue walking. Let's continue shopping. Huh? What's in there? Kathmandu. What's in there? Skechers. Ay, sorry. Skechers are there. Vans. So this is a shopping area. Farmers, Starbucks. Our hotel is just down there. And we're just walking out here. Go body shops here. Foot lockers are there. You can shop here. Another area that you can buy something. Subway. Yeah. No, it's. So right now we are here at the Civic Theater. Here's the public library. Welcome to Albert Park. Look at all those huge trees here. Get here, it's so nice. You can just relax like him. Here's the tower. Yeah, look at this tree. And then it goes this way.
Ready to leave.
Kappa. Pink blossoming spring. Heart of the city, Auckland. looking for a Mexican cafe. You know, if it's Mexican restaurant, they give you chips and salsa. So this is the restaurant here. Chips and salsa. So here's my Mexican food. Okay, this time we're heading to our hotel. See, we're just near to the straight. We're just near to the Sky Tower. So here you can buy your grocery here, the Walmart. There's a Kiwi gift shop there. And then that's our hotel already. President Hotel. Here's our hotel.